Okay guys, I was just gonna leave my apartment, but then my package came in from Abercrombie and I'm so excited to open it. I picked up a few things, so I'm just gonna open her up and show you. I got pants for my boyfriend, perfect, I can bring those to him. And then I have a sweater. Maybe I'll wear this one instead because San Francisco is freezing cold right now. This is a off-the-shoulder sweater. It's just like a cream color. It's really, really pretty. Love it so much. It's like so like nice and like dense. I love it. Yes, this is a cardigan. It is gray and it's super soft, super cozy, nice little like pleat right here. Very, very nice. Love it so much. So I got another sweater because it's a little cold out here and I need some new sweaters. So I got this gray one. I like the gray, but I think I might get it in cream. I initially tried on the cream one, but they didn't have this one online, so I just got this one first. But I might keep this one or get cream. I don't know. You guys tell me. What do you think? If you guys don't know already, Abercrombie is doing a huge thing with their ultra season, which is all of their big puffer jackets, down jackets. And if you guys follow me on Instagram, you guys have probably seen that I had a big giant parka that actually can break out into like a vest, and you could take out the hood and just wear it as a parka. Anyway, I got that, but then they also have these mini puffers that I love. So they gave me two more. So I got two different ones that I gotta pick out. The first one is just this black down puffer, and it is such nice material. It looks navy right now because of lighting, but this is like black and it's just super nice quality. And I heard the fuzzies, it's like soft and like there's like fleece lining on the pockets. Like this is definitely gonna keep me warm if anything. It's super nice quality and it's also like really light, so I can just like pack it down. So this is so awesome. Thank you so much, Abercrombie. And I think we're on to the last one, which is another one, but I love this one because it's Sherpa. So it's definitely different. It's similar to the brown ones that you see everyone wear. But I was like, this is a very cool black one. It's different. Oh my god, this is so soft. This black Sherpa puffer jacket thing. It's really, really nice and soft. It's like this gray fleece on the inside, and it's just super nice material. It's super dirty. Dirty? It's super durable and it's really nice quality. And I'm actually gonna put it on right now because I really want to see what it looks like on me. Oh wow, she's thick, but she's nice. She's really comfortable, guys. Like, and it just looks awesome just because it's like, we call it kind of like a mini teddy. Yeah, it's super cool. The sleeves are a little long for me. This is an extra small and I'm about like 5'3". But literally it goes up really easily. If you wear another sweater, it's fine, whatever. But yeah, it was a quick little unboxing from Abercrombie. I'm really, really excited. I think I actually might change this shirt into this sweater for dinner. But yeah, oh my god, I love this so much. Thank you so much, Abercrombie. This is so awesome. Wah! Until then, I need to figure out my life because I think I probably should do that. But yeah, it was so nice seeing you guys and I hope you enjoyed it. Bye.